It's Malcolm, beg your pardon. Malcolm Tomlinson.
Let off. They race away, and Camusta's missed it completely. Good start towards the inside by Early Edition. Also breaking well, 117. Plenty of pace out wide by Justice Shallow, and also prominent right down the centre, Ascot Dreamer. Between those horses, A Up It's Mick has also got a good sit, so too Separable. Through the first furlong and a half in Division 1 of the VW Van Centre lead, Staring Spoon Smiles Charity Handicap. Near side is Early Edition in the dark blue and pink. Separable in the red and white. The red and black colours next to that one is 117. Four deep of those in the green and yellow. A Up It's Mick, followed throughout wide by Ascot Dreamer. Towards that one's inside races Justice Shallow. They're followed by Hijacked. Well back at this stage, Amor Kethley. Also well back the slow starting Camusta. Caramel Curves is also towards the back of the field. So too Badiah Fort. Back towards the final furlong and a half they go. It's Ascot Dreamer who's burst through for Lewis Edmonds. Opens up by a couple of lengths in short time. A Up It's Mick is giving chase towards the inside. Out wide of runners trying to run on is Amor Kethley, with Hijack trying to finish as well. They go inside the final 100 yards. Up front, driven out, Ascot Dreamer leads by a couple. Racing up towards the line, Ascot Dreamer coming home very strongly. Camusta, it's tight! Camusta might have nailed him right from the back. Missed the break. Camusta may have got up. Ascot Dreamer involved. Hijacked only just behind them. Little gap to the fore.